Here's a crazy new use for Flex Seal. Not that I'm saying anyone should try this, but you can use it to seal a leaky, rusty gas tank. So that's a gas tank leak, simple rust out.
Yeah.
It's all been cleaned because, of course, alcohol is a solvent, so it's going to clean the surface. I just have to let the gasoline itself evaporate away so that it doesn't interfere with the adhesion of the spray adhesive. It's going to be from here to here, from that end of the wall all the way up to here. It's going to get covered. Hopefully, I'm letting it air dry as much as I can. What I got to do is cover all this. Since this was painted before, what I'm seeing here is a lot of paint fleck off. Where it's actually dry, but you can still touch it and come out with some dampness from the gasoline. Quite dry in parts, so hopefully it's going to be dry enough to get a good adhesion. I'm going to towel this off too before I spray it. It's dry over there. Coming back, doesn't start getting wet till about here. So then we get a towel, and then we can start working on this. So here it is sprayed down. So now you can see what was leaking real bad right there. Got a nice thick coating on it. Seems to be behaving itself. I also got the seam. Went back as far as where it was dry. Well, I didn't even quite get to the dry spot there. But it seems like it's covering okay. That this did not set up where the gasoline was. Some places it's doing what it's supposed to do, it's stuck. But this area here where there's always gasoline at, it just never set up. And I think a chunk came off too. Sucking away as it was a major problem with this Flex Seal. So I need to see if the paste will alleviate this problem, if I just really gotta really dry this off before I try this again. I'm gonna try this again though. Okay, so this is what the fuel looks like all the way down. It's had 4 days to leak out from about 1/8 of a tank that I had when I last drove it. And so, even though it leaked out a little slower, it still leaks out completely. So we're going to try this again.